Welcome to Knowledge Hub. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we will learn about what is C Sharp.net, why C Sharp.net, how C Sharp.net is versatile, and take a look on the version history of C Sharp. So let's start the video and learn the topic in more detail. So according to the Microsoft, C Sharp is a modern object-oriented and type-safe programming language. It is pronounced as C Sharp. So C Sharp basically enables the developer to build many types of secure and robust applications that run in the .NET ecosystem. C Sharp has its root in the C family of the languages and will be immediately familiar to C, C++, Java and the JavaScript programmers. It was developed by Microsoft, led by Anders Hesselberg and his team within the .NET initiative. So on next slide, we will see the advantage of C Sharp and why is it so popular and in demand in developers. C Sharp has many other reasons for being popular and in demand. Few of the reasons are mentioned below. The first one is easy to start. C Sharp is a high level language, so it is closer to the other popular programming languages like C, C++, and Java, and thus become easy to learn for anyone. It is widely used for developing desktop and web applications. It is one of the most popular language that is used in professional desktop. So if anyone wants to create Microsoft apps, C Sharp is their first choice. The third one is large community support. C Sharp has large community, so the developments that are done to make it exist in the system, not to become extinct. The fourth one is cross-platform. C Sharp is cross-platform programming language, so you can build .NET applications that can be deployed on Windows, Linux, and Mac platform. C Sharp apps can also be deployed in cloud and containers. And the fifth one is type safety. C Sharp is a type safe language, so C Sharp doesn't allow type conversion that may lead to data loss or other problems. So C Sharp allows developer to write a safe code, and C Sharp also focuses on writing on efficient code. So these all are the advantages that C Sharp provides. So next we will see how C Sharp is so versatile. While the most programming languages were designed for a specific purpose, but C Sharp was designed only to do C Sharp. So we can use C Sharp to build today's modern software application. C Sharp can be used to develop all kind of applications including Windows client apps, components and libraries, services and API, web application, mobile apps, cloud application and video games. Here are the few list of types of application that we can build using the C Sharp. Windows client application, Windows services, web applications, web services and web API, Azure cloud applications and services, backend database using data tools. So in this table, we can see that the first version of the C Sharp was released on year 2002. Then after, Microsoft added more features and the fix for the existing issues in the upcoming releases. So you can find all the features including in each release in this table. Currently C Sharp 9.0 is the latest version. So if you look at C Sharp language history, C Sharp is evolving faster than any other languages thanks to Microsoft and the strong community support. C Sharp was initially designed to write Windows client application, but today C Sharp can do pretty much anything from console app, cloud app and the modern machine learning software. What we have covered so far, we cover what is C Sharp.net, why C Sharp, or you can say the advantage of C Sharp, how C Sharp is so versatile, and the version history of the C Sharp. Thank you for listening.